Take command of the road in the 2018 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a bed liner, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.